Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including haul videos like this one. Today I'm going to be sharing some items I got on a couple of different trips to a Dollar Tree. Most of them are for Christmas time. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to share are a couple of cards I got for Thanksgiving. I've mentioned this before, but if you haven't been to Dollar Tree, they have greeting cards and they sell them either two for $1 or for some of the nicer ones or seasonal ones, they do sell them for $1 a piece. So I've actually started getting my greeting cards there. Now the rest of these items are for Christmas time, and let's just jump into that. Okay, so one of the things I got were some of these sparkly branches. I want to use them in my Christmas tree, and they're very glittery, but I think mixed in with the evergreens, they will look nice, maybe, at the top of the tree. And they're sort of a champagne color. They're not a garish, brassy gold color. And then I also found some poinsettias that were the same color, kind of a champagne color. Now I'm not going to use them all together like this. I'm going to cut the stems off separately and intersperse them with some other items. Maybe some like this, which is my next item. I found some of these white, kind of creamy colored berries, and you see when you mix just one in with them, it tones it down a lot, and then with greenery it'll tone it down even more. And on the Christmas tree I think it'll be fine. So I went ahead and picked up as many of these as I could find in case I want to use them in some garlands as well. So I think I cleaned them out of their rose gold branches and not rose gold, champagne colored poinsettias. And then, as I mentioned, I did get a couple of these white berries. Sorry, the white and the glitter stuff. Sorry about the lighting. The white and that shiny lame on the poinsettias was making my camera do weird things. And then I also found these. These are like little candle rings. They call them mini wreaths though. But they do, you can use them for a candle. You could put a candle through here. I am thinking I might hang them off of my bar stool chairs to have as little mini wreaths. We'll see. I have enough for all the bar stools at my counter or for my tall wrought iron candle holders. So I'll just play around and see which I like best. And then the last thing I got is some of this mesh tube. This is actually from one of my daughters. She makes decorative headbands. If you'd like to see some of them, they're mouse ears, most of them, but some of them are bows, and they light up, and they have Swarovski crystals on them. But she wants to have some of this tubing to use on some of them, so we went ahead and got different colors. There was one pack of black left from Halloween. We got some green, we got some red, and we got some silver. So, one more thing, I lied. I went ahead and got some of this decorative mesh in the cream color with some gold threads running through it. And I may put this on some boxwood topiaries I have and bunch it up in there. I think that'll look nice. So I got 4 of those to use on the topiaries. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you got any of these same items for the holidays, why don't you leave me a comment down below. I want to thank all of you for watching, and I hope you'll join me all next time. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. And if you're still looking for some fall inspiration, I'll have some of my playlists and videos for fall linked down in the description box as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.